Look at that little chong. What's up? Hey, Emma. Ellie, come here. All right, shut the door. Come here, Ellie.
I get a surprise.
You guys ready?
Yeah. Oh, we got a puppy.
Do you remember who that puppy is?
I know.
Remember we kept going to see her at the shelter?
Uh-huh.
Do you guys think?
Good.
You excited?
Yeah.
Oh, don't pick her up. She has boo-boos on her belly.
You can pet her. Oh, she's hanging a bed.
Emma, what do you think?
She went that way.
Emma, you like your new friends?
That dog was going right in the back.
I know. What do you think, Emma? You like your new friends? Huh? I know. Ellie, what do you think? Do you like her? Yeah? Is she cute? Is she cute? She needs a name.
Coral.
What?
Coral.
Coral?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What do you think, Ellie? Ellie, what would you name the puppy? Daddy, what would you name the puppy?
Bubbles.
Hi. Hi. Little chubby wubby. Oh, so cute.
That's from the Christmas video.
Oh, is it?
Oh, yes, go.
Come here, pee machine.
That's a baby.
And pee she did. All over the house.
Did you guys pick a name?
What?
Did you pick her out to be her name?
What's her name? Didn't I tell you in the car? That's what Ellie was gonna say.
Come on. How about Annie? No. What are we gonna call her?
Coral.
Coral.
I think Annie. What do you think? I think Annie.
Stop with the poopy stock.
Little orphan Annie that pees all over the floor. Come here. It's time to put a collar on you. I know, Emma's. You peed all over my floor?
She's a pee
Stay. Sit. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
I would say we should give her some treats, but
I think she needs it. Good girl. Look at us like.
I know. All right, pee machine, let's go. Come here.
Come here. Come on, Annie.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, you're so cute. Right in my lap. Oh, thank you. So cute. So pretty. Pretty puppy. Let me see. Hi. Hi. Emma, you like your new friends?
I put the dinosaur's head on.
Hi. Oh, you're so cute. What do you guys think of the puppy? You love her? Yeah.
Pick her up.
Say, come on, Annie.
Come on, Annie.
Say, Annie, come on.
No, pull off, baby.
Oh, boy. There we go. Say, come on. Come on, Annie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, nope. She doesn't want to walk. Let me see. Ready? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got to get her excited. Yep. Let Ellie have a turn. Get her excited, Ellie. Say, come on, Annie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
That's not Annie.
Yeah, her name is Annie. Annie.
Go. Annie, Annie, come on.
Come on.
Come on, Annie.
Nope. She's lazy. Oh. Say, go, go, go. She doesn't want to go over there, Ellie.
Come on.
You gotta go where she wants to go. So you follow her.
Oh.
There you go.
I'm pinching your elbow.
Thank you. Can you pick up some of these toys?
Pitchy. Pitchy kind of outfit. Here you go.
Oh, she's tired. Are you tired? Are you tired? Oh no. Come here, Annie. Hi, Annie. Come here. Good girl.
Look at them. Oh, there you go. I think she's googling them. Oh, can I hold it?
Is that yummy? Yum, 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 yum.
I like it. Can I hold